Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the amazing oxidation of ethyl alcohol using chromium trioxide. Check this out. For this experiment, we're using 100% ethyl alcohol. We're using chromium trioxide as the oxidizer, a 250 milliliter beaker, and a mortar and pestle. Begin by measuring out 8 grams of chromium trioxide, and you'll see that they look like red flakes. Next, add your chromium trioxide flakes to your mortar and begin grinding them with the pestle until you get a nice fine powder. Next, add 50 milliliters of 100% ethyl alcohol to a beaker. The next step is to prepare a blast shield for the rapid oxidation of the ethyl alcohol. And now we're ready to add the ethyl alcohol. Here we go. Here's the balanced chemical equation for this amazing redox reaction. We start with the reactants chromium trioxide and ethyl alcohol. We have 4 moles of chromium trioxide, that's the 4CrO3, and ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH. When those combine, they create the products chromic oxide. We have 2 moles of chromic oxide, that's the 2Cr2O3. We have 2 moles of carbon dioxide gas, that's the 2CO2. And we have 3 moles of water in the form of vapor, that's the 3H2O. Remember, this is a reduction oxidation reaction. So the ethyl alcohol is being oxidized as it rapidly loses electrons, while the chromium trioxide is being reduced as it gains electrons in this amazing exothermic redox reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.